Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to see about RAG model and how it is actually working. I know most of them would have heard of Retrieval-Augmented Generation. People basically prefer this model for chatbot or any Q&A models. Why? Because they don't want to train a model from scratch, or if they have less training set or the data, they prefer RAG model, because it directly extracts the answers from the document that you feed. It may be PDF or any the Word documents or anything, text files. It actually extracts the information from it and answers your question or satisfies what the particular use case is for. But basically, when you ask something about, it replies back. So for that extraction, they use RAG model. How easy it is. We don't have to train the entire data set because we have less. Or we don't have something which is basically outside. We don't need that. We want only from the custom data. We can feed that. So custom models for anything it may be, they prefer RAG for that. So how basically it works is, when you feed the questions like what are the health benefits of green tea. This is the question that we feed to a RAG model. Just think about it. After you feed the question, it just converts that into vectors using any embedding model that we know. We can use anything. We can use anything. And basically, it converts that into numerical format in order to find the similarity. So basically, it's a matching algorithm that it uses to find the similarity of particular questions or topic that you get. Uh, have you heard of this topic modeling and all? So it basically does that. You ask question and it identifies for the particular topic. So we ask a question about green tea. So it just finds some of the similarity in text from the document that we fed, and it just identifies the scores, similarity scores. It may be cosine similarity or anything it may be. We can just add into it. So here the first sentence which talks about green tea research, and the second sentence which talks about, the document which talks about coffee health guide, which is completely irrelevant to the topic. And we have this tea benefit study, which is also similar to green tea. Yes, talks about green tea. And here is another, a topic which is outliers. Non-green tea topic, herbal remedies. So what we do is we just select the context which is matching towards it. So based on the threshold we assign to, out of 1, above 0.5 documents would be selected. So here it is like 7.7 which we kept so that we can have like perfect match. So we have like 2 selected based on the similarity that we calculated from the documents that we fed. So these are the 2 recommended answers for the question which we asked, and later the response is given for the question that we asked, which is what are the health benefits of green tea. Based on that, it has given the response back. So the context is green tea contains catchiness and may reduce heart disease risk by 31%. Green tea boosts metabolism, aids weight loss, and contains EGCG. Okay, I don't know what it is, but yeah. The LLM uses a retrieval document as context to generate an accurate, grounded response instead of relying solely on its training data. So when we feed those information to it, it extracts the context from the sentence or the document that we fed, and which is like directly sending into LLM. in order to get the summary out of it so that we can get the answers for the question that we asked. So, what are the benefits of having RAG? So, we can directly have the information that we fit. We don't have to train, we don't have to test. Validation we have to do because we need to check whether it is giving the right answers that we do, the human verification that is there for every AI model, but you don't have to test it. The regular machine learning process, it is not required here, the time consuming thing. And it reduces hallucination. Why? Because we feed the document. It extracts the information from the document that we fed. So it will be there. We can't just go and read the entire documents and make Q&A or build a chatbot or train a model. So we can just directly give that into RAG, and that RAG will extract the context from it and summarize it for us. And if we don't have sources other than the custom data that we have, and we are just initiating the part, later we can build. It is like semi-supervised learning. We have data, I mean partial amount of data, and we don't have like full data. So we can build the model. Based on that, we can train the model. We can build data using it. So for that, we can use RAG. So these are the applications for RAG. And yeah, comment if you are using RAG for different use cases. Just put a like if this video helped you well. Okay, so thank you. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.